Kevin here at Saul's Autotek, and today we're going to talk a little bit about estimates and why they are so important in this industry. One of the most common complaints we hear in the automotive industry is it cost too much or it was more than the original estimate. Now, there's a few different factors that play here, but the reality is we're all in the same boat. We all want your car to work the best way possible, and we want you to know that you're getting the best service and having the most reliable motor vehicle. First and foremost, here in Colorado, the Motor Vehicle Repair Act of 1992 protects you, the consumer, and guarantees that you receive an itemized estimate of parts and labor separately, along with a time frame estimate for the repair and a note of who is doing the work on your vehicle. Now, there's several reasons this is important. The most common reason that this is important is for reliability and the guarantee that you're getting the most consistency every time. If you want to make sure that you're getting responsibility from your shop, they better be following the rules because those are the law for a reason. Now, the way we provide an estimate here at Saul's Autotek, we offer the first 30 minutes of our diagnostic free of charge because most diagnostics are able to be completed in that time. We're also going to perform a 60-point inspection of your vehicle every single time so that you know that we're looking at the whole picture. And while you may have come in with a specific concern, that we're going to look at what that concern is, what that symptom really is, and how we got there in the bigger picture, so that we make sure we're not just putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg and that you don't get that call later that we thought it was X, but it really needs Y and Z as well. Now, there are some times where there's not things we can predict. In the case of this 2006 Lexus IS250 that's sitting behind me, this vehicle came in for an alignment today and should only need an hour on the rack to get it aligned, get it tuned where it needs to be, and get it out the door. However, when we got it up in the air, some of the adjustments that need to be made, the actual links that are bolted together that are adjustable on either end so we can make the tires go in, out, up, down, camber, caster, or toe in away, weren't able to move. In this case, on the rear right corner of the vehicle, the toe link that takes the rear tire on the right side and points it towards center or away from center is physically seized. Now, despite the technician's best efforts and best skill level to be able to get that toe link to break free and allow us to perform the alignment, we weren't able to do such. Even heating it up with a torch to see if we could get just enough leverage to get that thing free, it simply wasn't possible. So in this case, even though the owner requested a basic alignment, which should typically be approximately a $100 service, we had to stop work and call that owner and let them know that 3 out of the 4 corners are aligned perfectly, but that 4th corner won't align. This toe link is physically seized, and it'll take this to be replaced in order for this vehicle to be able to align properly. While we don't like having to make that phone call any more than you like to receive it, we understand that we want it to work perfectly. And while we very well could say, you know what, it's pretty close, let's just send it out, that's not the right answer. That's not the safe answer, and that's not the most reliable and trustworthy answer. It's also not going to keep us responsible if something like that happens. So from our end, so we can guarantee that we're being responsible at every motor vehicle, we're going to guarantee to you that we're going to stop labor if we find anything out of the ordinary, and we're going to let you know about any abnormalities so that you can make the decision on your own if you want to opt for that repair or if you'd like to stop at that point. And the reason for this is it's your wallet and it's your car, and we want you happy with the result. So if you've got concerns about your vehicle, you feel that you've been mistreated other places in terms of your estimates or your repairs, come and see us here at Saul's Autotek. We'll provide a thorough inspection of your vehicle, we're going to guarantee our estimate, and we're going to support our repair with a 3-year parts and labor warranty. We've got your back. 303-919-7769.